Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Happy Saturday, everyone. It was a bit of an active weather day, to say the least. Overnight Friday and into this morning, we saw impressive snowfall totals, some sleet, a bit of a wintry mix, some rain showers throughout the day today. So it's definitely been a soggy first half of your weekend. Tomorrow does look a little drier, and you'll even see a little bit of some sunshine. But let's look back at some of the numbers from what we saw overnight last night into this morning. Snowfall totals, Burrowville, well, they are top dog. They got up to about 4 inches of snow and sleet. Again, it did start to compress by the afternoon when you started to see the rain and the sleet kind of squish some of that snow further down to the surface. But at peak, they saw about 4 inches of snow. West of Warwick, about 1.5 inches, and then Providence, just about 1/2 inch for that for areas across our region. Peak wind gusts, we also saw some very windy conditions this afternoon. Block Island up to 45 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour for Fall River and westerly New Bedford. A little quieter, but still gusty with that peak wind gust of 35. We're still pretty cloudy out there for right now, but we are going to start to see those clouds begin to break apart, and we'll see a little bit of some quick clearing. And what that's going to do, it's going to help to drop those temperatures pretty quick, which will help to lead to some possibly icy conditions overnight tonight. That's why we're in the yellow for this evening. We're going to see some ice start to develop on some roadways and walkways. Pretty much any surface that was wet this afternoon and did not get treated with salt or brine, you're going to be seeing some chances for some ice overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Now, the good news is throughout the day tomorrow, we'll get back up above freezing. We'll see a little bit of some sunshine, and we'll be seeing some quieter conditions to start off the new week. The active shower activity, that has kind of tapered off, so we're not seeing any more snow or extra rain as we look forward to overnight tonight. And we are starting to see those clouds kind of break apart just a little bit. Some more clouds will roll in by morning, but that break in the cloud coverage, that's going to allow these temperatures to fall relatively quickly. We're still in the 30s right now, which is fairly mild for this time of year. 30 for Coventry, 35 for Westerly, 33 for Newport. But again, the clouds today kind of acting as a blanket, holding on to some of that heat. As those clouds break apart, you'll see that quick little drop where those temperatures will drop back down into the upper 20s. As we look forward to about 4 a.m. is when we'll see some of the coolest air kind of moving in. And then tomorrow morning, we'll start to see things slowly warm up. Now, we're going to stay mostly cloudy other than that gap in the clouds. We're going to see some more clouds kind of roll in and fill in, and then we're going to be seeing that chance for some ice all the way through to the early morning hours. So looking at your Sunday morning forecast, you're starting off cloudy with the chance for some patchy ice. Temperatures staying below that freezing point through that 8 o'clock hour, and then slowly starting to warm up in the afternoon. Overall, for your Sunday, not looking too bad. You're going to see a decent amount of sunshine in the middle part of the day. Temperatures back up into the mid-40s. Again, a cloudy start, but overall, really not too bad. 7-day forecast, the week starts off pretty nice and mild, back up into the upper 40s, closer to almost 50 degrees. A chance for some showers on Tuesday, but really we're keeping a close eye on next weekend. We're going to see the potential for another wintry mix on Saturday.
All right, thanks so much.